When you open your laptop, you're stepping into a world full of possibilities. That sleek lid hiding powerful technology is the result of countless parts coming together with exact detail. But have you ever wondered how metals, plastics, and tiny silicon chips turn into the laptop you use every day? Inside factories, robots and skilled workers work side by side. Circuit boards with millions of connections are carefully assembled. Cooling fans begin to spin as they're fitted inside. Keyboards snap perfectly into place. Every step involves machines and hands moving in sync to create devices that work flawlessly. Making millions of laptops isn't easy. It takes precise planning and quality control to keep standards high while moving fast. From raw materials sourced around the world to the final product boxed and ready for you, each laptop follows a strict path. Factories balance speed with care, ensuring every component fits just right and every connection works. It's not just about building a device, it's about building trust in a product you rely on every day. If you're curious about how all these parts come together to create a laptop, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. Also make sure to hit that like button, and share this video so it can go viral and many people can learn. Now, how exactly do factories turn metals, plastics, and silicon into millions of laptops that perform with speed and reliability? What hidden steps make this possible? Let's quickly take a look. Laptops have come a long way since their early days. Back in the 1980s, portable computers were bulky and heavy, often the size of a small suitcase. They had limited power and battery life, making them far from convenient. Over time, advances in technology have transformed these early machines into the sleek, powerful laptops we use today. Manufacturing methods changed just as much as the devices themselves. What started as hand assembly, piece by piece, has shifted to highly automated factories with machines handling many tasks. This change has allowed laptops to become more affordable and widely available, putting powerful computing into the hands of millions worldwide. It's amazing to think how the bulky computers of the past have evolved into lightweight machines that fit easily in backpacks and briefcases. As we prepare to look inside the modern factory where these laptops are made, keep in mind how much work and innovation goes into every device. From raw materials to the final product, each laptop is a result of years of development and precision manufacturing. Let's quickly take a look inside the factory and see how the laptops you use are built. Every laptop begins with parts sourced from all over the world. Circuit boards, processors, memory chips, keyboards, displays, batteries, and cooling fans arrive at the factory in large shipments. Each of these components is crucial for the laptop to function properly. When the parts reach the factory, they go through quality checks to make sure they meet strict standards. Defective or low-quality parts are removed before assembly begins. This step ensures that the final product will be reliable and durable. Microchips, for example, often come on reels, ready to be placed onto circuit boards by automated machines. These reels hold hundreds or thousands of tiny chips that will become the brain of the laptop. The factory keeps everything organized, with parts stored and prepared for quick access during assembly. Having the right parts ready at the right time helps keep the production line moving smoothly. Each component plays its role in building a laptop that will meet your needs, whether it's speed, storage, or display quality. Now that the parts are prepared, let's quickly take a look at how they are assembled into the heart of the laptop, the motherboard. The motherboard is the heart of every laptop, and assembling it is a complex process. Automated pick-and-place machines work fast to position thousands of tiny components on the circuit board. These machines place chips, resistors, capacitors, and other parts with exact alignment, ensuring each fits perfectly. Once the components are in place, soldering stations melt metal to bond them firmly to the board. This connection allows electrical signals to flow between parts. After soldering, the boards go through X-ray inspections. These inspections check for any hidden flaws, such as poor solder joints or misplaced components. Electrical testing follows, where the motherboard is powered up and tested to confirm it functions correctly. Any board that doesn't meet standards is set aside for review or recycling. This detailed assembly and testing process guarantees the reliability and performance of the laptop. Every motherboard must pass these steps before moving on. With the motherboard ready, the next stage is installing other critical parts like the processor, memory, and storage. Let's quickly take a look at how these come together to build the laptop's core. The processor is one of the most important parts of a laptop. In the factory, it is placed onto the motherboard with precision. This tiny chip acts as the brain, handling all the computing tasks that keep your laptop running smoothly. Once the processor is installed, thermal paste is applied. This paste helps transfer heat away from the processor, ensuring it doesn't overheat during use. Without proper heat management, the laptop could slow down or even get damaged. Next, cooling fans and heat pipes are installed. These components work together to move heat away from the processor and other parts. Fans spin to push hot air out, while heat pipes transfer warmth to cooler areas. This keeps the laptop running at a safe temperature, even when handling heavy tasks. Balancing performance and temperature is essential. The factory ensures that thermal solutions are correctly installed to maintain this balance. This step helps the laptop perform well without overheating or making too much noise. With the processor and cooling system in place, the laptop can handle demanding software and multitasking. Let's quickly take a look at how the memory, storage, and other parts are added next to complete the system. The display is one of the most visible and important parts of a laptop. In the factory, the screen is assembled layer by layer. This includes glass layers, LCD or LED panels, backlighting systems, and protective covers. Each layer plays a role. The panel creates the images you see, while the backlight provides brightness. Protective layers keep the screen safe from scratches and damage. Once assembled, the displays undergo thorough testing. Brightness and color accuracy are checked to ensure images look clear and vibrant. The factory also scans for dead pixels, tiny spots on the screen that don't light up properly. Any display with defects is set aside and replaced. This quality control step ensures that every laptop screen meets high standards before it reaches users. The assembly process is designed to maintain consistent quality while keeping production efficient. Every screen must pass these checks to deliver a sharp and reliable viewing experience. With the display ready, the next step is combining all the components and installing the keyboard, trackpad, and battery. Let's quickly take a look at how the laptop starts coming together for final assembly. The laptop's physical shell is made from plastic, metal, or a mix of both. This frame gives the device strength and durability while shaping its design. In the factory, the chassis is formed to exact specifications, ensuring it fits all the internal parts securely. Next, the keyboard is installed. Each key is tested to make sure it responds properly. The factory also adds the trackpad, hinges, and necessary ports for connectivity. These components must work flawlessly to offer a smooth user experience. Once assembled, the frame and keyboard go through quality checks. Tests confirm that the chassis is sturdy, the keyboard types well, and the trackpad moves smoothly. Hinges are checked to ensure the screen opens and closes correctly without looseness. This stage combines durability with design, balancing strength and usability. It ensures the laptop looks good and performs well under daily use. With the shell and input devices ready, the laptop is nearly complete. The next step is installing the battery and final internal connections. Let's quickly take a look at how power gets added to the device and what comes next. The final assembly brings all the parts together to create a complete, working laptop. The motherboard, battery, display, keyboard, and other components are carefully integrated into the frame. Wiring connects everything, ensuring power and communication flow correctly throughout the device. Technicians work alongside robots, each performing tasks suited to their strengths. Robots handle repetitive actions like tightening screws, while technicians focus on delicate or complex connections. This teamwork speeds up the process and keeps quality high. Every connection is checked, and all screws are secured. This step ensures the laptop is sturdy and all parts work in harmony. The device starts to take shape as a fully functional machine, ready for testing. Once assembled, the laptop moves to the next phase where performance and safety are verified. This stage confirms that everything operates smoothly before the laptop is sent out. With the laptop assembled, it's time to explore how it is tested and prepared for packaging. Let's quickly take a look at what happens during the testing phase and how the laptop gets ready for shipment. Once the laptop is fully assembled, it powers on for the first time. The operating system is installed, setting up the interface and software needed to run smoothly. This step transforms the hardware into a ready-to-use device. After installation, the laptop undergoes thorough testing. Hardware components like the keyboard, wireless connection, battery, and display are checked to make sure they work properly. Technicians run performance benchmarks, which measure how fast and efficiently the laptop operates. This testing ensures that the laptop meets the manufacturer's quality standards before it reaches customers. Any issues found are fixed right away, or the laptop is set aside for further inspection. Testing also confirms that the laptop's software and hardware work well together. This helps prevent problems for users after purchase and guarantees a reliable experience. The goal is to deliver a device that performs well, lasts long, and keeps up with user demands. With testing complete, the laptop moves to the final steps of packaging and shipping. Let's quickly take a look at how the laptop is prepared for delivery and sent out to customers. After passing all tests, each laptop is cleaned to remove dust and fingerprints. It is then boxed along with essential accessories like chargers, manuals, and warranty cards. The packaging is designed to protect the device during transport and provide everything users need to get started quickly. Once boxed, the laptops move to the shipping area where robots arrange the packages onto pallets. This robotic palletizing speeds up the process and ensures the packages are stacked securely. Pallets are then labeled and logged into the logistics system for tracking. From here, the laptops begin their journey around the world. They are shipped to offices, schools, retailers, and homes, reaching millions of users. Every package represents the final step in a long process, bringing technology into the hands of people who rely on it daily. The supply chain is carefully managed to keep shipments on schedule and maintain product quality. This means you can trust the laptop you receive has been handled with care from factory to delivery. Look at the laptop sitting on your desk, a tool you use every day. What you see is the result of a long, detailed process that begins with raw materials and ends with a device ready to help you work, create, and connect. From tiny microchips and metals to plastics and glass, every part was made and brought together with skill and care. Machines and workers collaborated to assemble thousands of components, each tested to meet high standards. This process relies on both technology and people. The precise placement of parts, the thorough inspections, and the final testing all ensure you get a reliable product. It's not just about making a laptop, it's about building something you can trust. Every tap on the keyboard, every scroll on the trackpad connects back to this complex production line. The quiet hum of the cooling fan, the bright screen you see, all carefully engineered for performance. Remember, this device is more than just plastic and metal. It carries the effort of many hands and minds focused on delivering quality and innovation. Every laptop carries the effort of countless people and machines working together to bring you a reliable, powerful tool. Taking a moment to appreciate this journey helps us see the value in the everyday technology we often take for granted. We know this video has really been helpful and you have learned a lot. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with people you know. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our next videos. Again, understanding the process reminds us that innovation and craftsmanship come together in ways we don't always notice. It's a reminder to keep pushing forward, creating, and exploring new possibilities. Now, it's your time to engage. Do you really enjoy this video? What is the step in this process that surprised you? Do you have any product or item you would love to see next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Finally, thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep creating.